question is being raised about data. So these are genuine concern and questions. Why should this be about whether you are an Indian or half an Indian or complete Indian at all?
You see, Maria, you should understand one thing, that the vaccine is not developed by BJP, as some of the Congress party leaders would like to believe. It is a joint effort of Oxford University and AstraZeneca, a joint effort of two developed countries, British and Swedish economies. And as I speak to you, I have a newspaper cutting in front of me which lays out the effective strategy of how they are going to roll out 1 crore vaccine to the health workers, and then the 2 crore vaccine to the frontline workers, and then gradually the 27 crore vaccine by the end of July. The government has a proper plan, a vision, a strategy, and an implementation which you would see by the end of July. The government has already appointed almost 1,14,000 vaccinators. The government have been on their toes since the last 8 months. So I seriously don't see any argument in this unscientific, illogical, irrational statements being made by the Congress party.
Okay, so what about the statement being made by Rajiv Rai? Rajiv Rai here says that it is the BJP which is now trying to indulge in chest thumping, that हमने नहीं एक नहीं दो vaccine हो गया India में. That is the reason why Akhilesh Yadav and others are raising the question. Guru.
You know who is in alliance with Akhilesh Yadav? Who joins Akhilesh Yadav in raising the same concern? It is the Raza Academy of Mumbai, which have apparently issued a fatwa against people who are going to undertake vaccine. So this is very unfortunate. It reflects the archaic and a medieval mindset of a political leader who has absolutely no faith in science, who at times say
so
that
you're not displaying scientific temper, Rajiv Rai.
From various colleges. But this is unscientific, Maria. This is point blank
unscientific, will not
period.
Display the scientific temper when you make a statement कि radar में बादलों में radar में aircraft छुप गया. It does not. We don't want to be that much of scientifically aware of where we say नाली के गैस से चाय बना लिया. We don't want to be. Don't want the whole world laughs at us when we do the test.
Sir, please don't kill the spirit of innovation. Please don't kill the spirit of innovation by making this baseless statement, sir. No. You should be, please be careful on when you are about to make a statement on a national television like this. You are insulting the spirit of innovation of each and every Indian by saying this. So please don't do that, sir. Instead of welcoming the decision of the research fraternity,
why are you talking about some wild theories?
You are doing this. This is a great disservice to our scientific fraternity, sir. Please don't indulge in that.
No, why should a vaccine be called a BJP vaccine or a particular political party's vaccine?
I reply to the gentleman who was talking about our scientific temper. He does not have any moral authority to speak about the science. He does not have any moral authority to preach others. When our Prime Minister himself speaks like this. Do you agree, Maria?
The Drug Controller General of India.
What his statement he made?
Drug Controller General of India, should his words not be taken seriously? Dr. Guleria, Dr. V.K. Paul, these are senior people who understand science much better than you, certainly, sir. Should their words not be taken seriously? Rajiv Rai.
No, we are not questioning any scientist. We are not questioning. In fact, we are proud of our Indian companies and Indian scientists. Let us make it very clear. Let there not be any false narrative to be propagated here. We are proud of our Indian scientists. We are proud of our Indian companies. Our concern was the kind of delivery system and health system works under the BJP government, in particular UP. I requested you some time back. Tomorrow, same time, if you want, I'll sit here. Please send your reporters in my area. I am giving you on national channel the name of Gazipur, Balia, Mau, Azamgarh, Gorakhpur. You see there and see how they will deliver.
Okay.
There is no arrangement on the ground.
Guru, respond to this.
By Yogi,
you know, for every statement being made by them, the question is,
what is the scientific relation between Makar Sankranti and vaccine? What is the scientific relation?
Can there be restraint on part of political leaders of the BJP also?
No, Maria, you know, there is a flashback, and if you would remember that before the rollout of the polio vaccine, similar concerns were being raised by orthodox forces an unscientific thinking political party. So there is no point in debating over this. Like you yourself said, Mr. V.K. Paul, Mr. Guleria, they are subject experts. They know what they say, unlike the Congress party or section of other opposition parties. You see, the absolute problem is that they have no vision, they have no imagination, they are desperately seeking out issues, and they probably want to strategize something on these lines,
Okay.
and I'm sure they're going to
Rashid,
fail in this
Rashid,
as well.
is this
a remarkable
opposition
moment.
for opposition's
This is a very
sake?
momentous moment in the
I
history
think
of our
it's very
country, in
unfortunate
the
to
life of our
blame
country.
opposition
With
for
open arms,
everything.
with
There are very
open arms,
eminent
we should
scientists who are
welcome
raising,
and we should
and
applaud
biologists
and
who are
commend
raising
the
this
research
issue
fraternity and the
that,
scientific
you see,
community
why
of the country.
this
Now.
data is not being published, why there is lack of transparency. If we call ourselves a developed country and we take a lot
All
of
those
pride in
scientists
our
are
scientific
anti-national,
community,
sir. All
we
those
should come
scientists are
forward with this. And
anti-national.
these are the corrective, because this concerns every human life. I don't know why my friend is, trying to blame opposition or a community or what was the opposition to chickenpox and all that. Every society, these are the challenges, and these challenges have been tackled by same set of community leaders. So to blame, I think, would be, complicating these kind of issues. Key point here is why, see, who started this whole business about politicizing vaccine? Who raised this issue that in Bihar there will be a free supply? It was the finance minister of India who said it at the, party release of her party manifesto.